I still got a week left to screw around before the sugar beet harvest starts, so I'm gonna head into Minnesota and slay me some fish. I just got my permit for 7 days. That was like 40 bucks. Got me a little bit of fishing gear because fishing's a lot different than in Seattle. I'm trying to catch me some largemouth bass. Maybe a walleye or two. Talk to you soon. I've made it to Maple Lake in Minnesota. I just threw a worm on there. I'm relaxing. Might make something to eat, but it's beautiful out here. It's supposed to be like 80 degrees. Got the van all cleaned out. Now let's get some lunch. That's a good one. Look at that. My first sunfish in Minnesota. It's a good one.